This brief tutorial will walk you through TRA's Plan Sponsor Link, which is a secure portal for exchanging plan-related information. We'll start by learning how to register or how to log into the portal. The portal can be found by logging onto the TRA website at www.tra401k.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Login, then Plan Sponsor Link. You may also access the portal by clicking the link located in the email you received introducing Plan Sponsor Link. This will bring you to the initial login page of the portal. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to register for the site. This is easily done by clicking on the First-Time User Setup link, enter your email address on file with TRA, and click Submit. The system will generate a temporary password and send it to the email address you indicated. This temporary password can be changed to a password of your choice once you log in and access the portal. If you receive an error when attempting to register, it typically means the email address you entered does not match what TRA has documented in our database. If this happens, please contact your client relationship manager at 1-888-872-2364. You will then be able to verify and or update your contact information within our client database. Next, you will use your password to access the portal. Enter your username, which is your email address. Enter your temporary password as emailed to you. Quick items to know. If you are a returning user, just enter your username and password to access the portal. If you forever forget your password, you can easily request a temporary password by clicking the Forgot Password link, similar to your initial registration. Just enter your email address and click Submit. A new temporary password will be emailed to you shortly. As indicated previously, you're welcome to customize your password once you access the portal. Let's go ahead and access the portal now. Upon accessing the portal, you will always see your active task list under the first tab. This list will contain items posted by TRA, but not yet opened by you, the plan sponsor. The number at the top shows how many items are currently on your task list. Items can be removed from your task list once you click Download, or in the case of the year-end data collection file, once you complete and submit the information. The plan documents are permanently stored on the Documents tab. Some clients sponsor more than one plan. If that is the case, both plans show up on your active list. A bold blue line would separate the plans and identify which plan the task items belong to. The second tab is the Distributions tab. This will provide you with a list of submitted distributions and completion status. The third tab is the Data Collection tab. This tab will store copies of completed data collection requests you have returned to TRA. The fourth tab is the Documents tab. This is where you will find copies of your plan documents, notices to distribute to plan participants, summary plan descriptions, and more. It is also where TRA will post your completed annual compliance report on an annual basis. To open any file posted, just click the blue Download button. You are then welcome to print or save as necessary. These files will not go away after clicking the Download button. They will remain here until TRA removes or replaces with an updated file. The fifth tab is the Secure File Exchange. This tab allows TRA to share confidential information with you and vice versa. To send a file, click New Exchange. Choose the file you want to send by clicking on the Select Files button. Select the TRA employee or group that you would like to send your secure file transfer to, selecting from the drop-down box. Add comments as you deem necessary, as well as choose the plan you are sending the message on behalf of if you are the plan sponsor for more than one plan. You will receive a message stating that a file has been sent. The person receiving the file will also receive an email stating that you sent the file. Our staff member will then retrieve that file by accessing our internal portal. Files sent by you to TRA will be stored in your sent box. TRA can also send secure files to you, our client, in the same manner. You would receive an email stating a file has been sent to you. You would then access the portal, click on Secure File Exchange, and find any file sent to you by a TRA employee, and this would be seen in your inbox. The final tab is the Industry Bulletins tab. This tab houses general information that TRA wishes to share with our clients and advisors. You will receive an email announcing when something has been posted on the Industry Bulletin tab. To open, just click Download. From there, you can review, print, or save as you deem necessary. You can also change your password now by clicking the drop-down box next to your name in the upper right-hand corner. Select Change Password and complete the information requested. Your password has been changed upon clicking Submit. Other items in this section include Help, which is basic navigation provided by our software provider, Contact Us. A listing of your assigned client relationship manager will be reflected here, as well as training videos. Currently, our software provider has a basic overview posted. This concludes your basic tutorial of TRA's Plan Sponsor Link Secure Portal. If you have any further questions, please contact your client relationship manager at 1-888-872-2364. Thank you.